So currently in Sydney, there's a Harbour Bridge and over there is the Opera House. Full of people. Hey Matt, what are you doing?
Seeing what I can get an interesting picture of with these lights. But, yeah. Gardens. Still nice and early in the morning.
It's like 9:30.
9:30, yeah. And then we're gonna go get some brunch
at the Alexander Gardens or something?
The Gardens of Alexander.
Oh yeah, that. So we're just here in the Royal Botanic Gardens and just stopping by here to take some photos because I think it's a really beautiful spot. Okay, so here we are at the Calyx in the Royal Botanical Garden, and there are a lot of people fly traps of different kinds, and just all around the garden beds, and there's like continuous mist spraying onto the plants so they can keep hydrated. As you can tell, it's a nice sunny day today, so they need to keep hydrated.
Darling Harbour.
Yes. We're currently on the Pyramont Bridge in Darling Harbour on our way to Sydney Fish Market to get the most amazing seafood we can get in Sydney. Sydney Fish Market, Mornay lobster and a dozen of oysters. In Chinatown, Sydney, and we went to get a cone, sea salt and milk tea from Aqua S. Going down.
I'm videoing.
Oh.
What you doing?
Just showing you my lift dance.
Oh yeah, lift dance.
It's like my signature. So we're just at the Opera House at 9ish, but it's only like 6 o'clock, and we're gonna have dinner at the Opera.
Alright, let's go get it.
Hey, thingy to go.
Alright, let's go.
So we're going on the boat, and there is Luna Park. We just arrived at Milson's Point, and this in here is Luna Park, just over this restaurant. You can see the Ferris wheel over there, it's very lit up, but no one's on it because I don't think Luna Park is in operation right now. I'm not too sure. It's kind of school holiday, so they should be on, but they're not. Oh well.
Where are you, Jenny?
Luna Park.
And where are all the people?
They're at home.
Wait.
Because they want to be.
Because it's closed.
Also that.
Yes.
But also because they want to be home.
Trying to find the car rental place. Walking through car parks. 3 hours late. Where are we, Jenny?
We're in Cabramatta. This was where I grew up for the first 3 years of my life.
Gyeongchu and some sugarcane. Yeah.
I got some vermicelli noodles with grilled pork and spring rolls, and Matt has his usual broken rice.
The combination, broken rice.
Yeah.
Alright. Awesome. And it's a bit hard when you look through the